Have you ever looked in the mirror and whispered to yourself, "Where did my strength go?" Maybe it's reaching for that heavy pan, climbing a short staircase, or picking up a grandchild, and suddenly your body doesn't respond the way it used to. You feel slower, a bit weaker, maybe even a little unsure of your footing. But here's the truth, it's not your fault. It's not just aging, it's muscle loss. And the good news? You can fight back, not with pills or powders, but with 5 simple fruits that could be sitting right now in your kitchen. Yes, really, everyday fruits with quiet superpowers that help protect your muscles as you age. Hello, dear friends, and welcome to Modern Health CO. I'm so glad you're here today because this video could change the way you feel in your body, especially if you're over 60. So grab a cup of tea, settle in your favorite chair, and let's take a gentle but powerful walk through nature's answer to age-related muscle loss. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and full of life. Let's make that happen, together. Section 1. Why we lose muscle after 60 and why it matters. Let's start at the beginning. Why does muscle disappear as we age? After the age of 30, we begin losing muscle slowly, about 3 to 5% every decade. But after 60, the decline speeds up. This condition has a name, sarcopenia. It might sound like a big, scary word, but it simply means muscle loss due to aging. So what causes this? Less protein absorption. Your body isn't as efficient at using protein to rebuild muscle. Changing hormones, testosterone and growth hormone levels drop, which affects strength. Lower activity. If you move less, muscles shrink. Poor nutrition or hydration. The fuel your body needs might be missing. Here's the twist. Your muscles don't just help you move. They protect your bones, support your joints, and even help prevent falls. Losing muscle means losing independence. That's why this matters. But what if I told you that something as simple as a banana or an apple could help your body fight back? Let's dive into our first fruit. Section 2. Bananas. Your daily muscle guardian bananas. Soft, sweet, and easy to digest. But did you know they're packed with potassium and magnesium? These 2 nutrients are essential for muscle contractions, so you can move smoothly, reducing cramps, recovering after movement, managing fluid in your muscles. As we get older, our potassium levels drop, and that can lead to muscle weakness or shakiness. Adding 1 banana a day can support better mobility, may reduce leg cramps at night, helps after a morning walk or stretch mini tip. Try slicing banana into oatmeal or blending it into a smoothie with milk. It's gentle on your stomach and powerful for your muscles. And now, from creamy to silky, let's talk about one of the most misunderstood fruits that actually helps your body absorb vitamins better. Section 3. Avocados. Healthy fats for strong aging. Some people think avocados are just a trendy food, but for people over 60, they're a golden secret. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, critical for bones and muscles. Fiber supports digestion and gut health, which influences inflammation. Anti-inflammatory compounds reduce joint pain and stiffness. When your body digests food well and inflammation stays low, your muscles perform better, even during light activities like gardening or walking. Here's how to enjoy avocado. Spread on whole grain toast. Add to egg salad or tuna blend into a smoothie with banana and cocoa for a dessert-like treat. Coming up next, tiny berries with big repair powers. You'll never look at them the same way again. Section 4. Berries. Nature's little muscle repair crew. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Small, sweet, and bursting with color. But under their skin, a secret army of antioxidants. Antioxidants help repair tiny tears in muscles, which happen during daily movement. Reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and healing. They're also full of vitamin C, helps the body build collagen. Polyphenols help reduce oxidative stress, which makes you feel sluggish. Try eating berries with yogurt in the morning. A small frozen bowl is a cold treat, or blended with spinach and banana for a muscle-friendly smoothie. And now, let's talk about a humble fruit that most of us already love, but few of us realize it holds a key nutrient that supports strength and stamina. Section 5. Apples. A crisp bite of strength. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But did you know apples contain quercetin? Quercetin is a plant compound that helps muscles stay strong, reduces inflammation, improves blood circulation. Apples also give a steady boost of energy without a sugar crash, and their fiber supports digestion. key for absorbing muscle-building nutrients. How to enjoy apples: sliced with peanut butter or almond butter, diced into oatmeal, baked with cinnamon for a comforting snack. But what about hydration? Your muscles need more than just nutrients, they need fluid. And the next fruit checks both boxes beautifully. Section 6, oranges, hydration and collagen. In one, oranges are sunshine in fruit form. Beyond their bright taste, they offer vitamin C, helps build collagen for muscles, joints, and skin. Potassium supports fluid balance in cells. Water keeps muscles hydrated and working smoothly. Dehydration makes muscles cramp and feel weak, especially in older adults. Oranges are a simple, natural solution. Enjoy them. As a whole fruit in the morning, fresh squeezed in a glass with no added sugar, tossed into a spinach and walnut salad. So now you know the 5 fruits. But how do you use them in real life? Let me show you a simple day plan that fits into your routine. No stress. Section 7, your simple daily muscle support plan. Here's how to fit these 5 fruits into your day without overthinking it. Morning, oatmeal with banana and berries. Mid-morning, apple slices with nut butter. Lunch, salad with avocado and a boiled egg. Afternoon, orange slices or smoothie. Evening, light protein like lentil soup. And water. Rotate your fruits throughout the week. No need to eat them all every day. What matters most is consistency. And remember, fruits are only part of the picture. Also aim for 20 minutes of gentle walking. Daily protein with each meal, 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Still wondering if it's worth the effort? Let me close with a message that I think you need to hear. Dear friend, getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. You are not fading, you are evolving. And these small choices, like a banana in the morning or a salad with avocado, add up. Your muscles may not be what they were at 25, but they still want to work for you. Nourish them, move them, love them. Because the stronger you feel, the freer you'll be to do the things you love. Walk with friends, travel, play with your grandchildren, or simply get up with confidence each morning. Thank you for spending this time with Modern Health CO. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe for more warm, real, and helpful videos about aging well. Leave a comment below. Which fruit will you start with today? Take care of yourself. You're worth every bit of effort and love.